Hey guys, Rosewill Productions here today, reviewing another case by Rosewill. This is the Tyrfing case. Don't know much about it. I got it used for 20 bucks, so I don't assume it was probably too expensive in the beginning. So I'm gonna unbox this. Right off the bat, we obviously have the user's manual, just like the other one. Pretty basic. That's not bad at all. It looks pretty minimalist. Alright, so I just adjust the camera for a better view. So, obviously it has a small little side panel. This looks like kind of something that would be for the RBG lighting, but it still has a side panel. So, yeah, it's pretty basic. Has a little shield for the power supply at the bottom. I guess we'll see what the front looks like. Wow, the front actually looks pretty cool. Looks like a brushed aluminum, but it's legit just plastic. The top has 3 fan spots for, I guess, a big radiator or something if you had that. 1 USB 3, 2 USB, the old 2.0s or the old ones, and then a mic and a headset. Comes with screws, obviously, to screw off that are not like a Phillip head, they're just use your hands. The inside has, for obviously a CD player or whatever, one of those LCD panels for whatever. And then has 3 of these little caddies, not too bad at all. And obviously all the wiring for the USB, HD audio, USB 3.0. So yeah, it's pretty basic. Not a bad case, but compared to the Magnetar, or I think that's what it was called, I'd probably get that one. Oh, this one seems like it was built a little bit nicer, but looks cheaper, to be honest. I'll show you the other side to see how much backspacing there is for like cable management. Oops. So yeah, this one doesn't really have much room for cable management, like ½ inch, but there's still enough. That's what the back of it looks like. So thanks for watching, guys.